Hello and thank you for downloading from us. Now before you move on, let me show you the proper way to download our files just to make sure that you don't run into any errors when you get into the editing process. So you should be on the order page, and from here there's a big button down here at the bottom. Depending on what series you're downloading, what project you're downloading, you may have multiple buttons, you may just have one. So just however many buttons you have, repeat this same process for each one of those buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that button. That's going to take me to a Dropbox link. You may get another notice here that's just reiterating the fact that you need to follow these directions, but we're already doing that, so we can go ahead and click past that. Now depending on the project that you're downloading, you may see again something a little bit different, but for the most part you're going to see three folders: the exports folder, help files folder, and the project files folder. Now it's very important that you don't go into those folders and start downloading files. What we want you to do is download directly from this page. So in the top right hand side you see a download button and a save to Dropbox button. So if you have a Dropbox account, you can click on save to Dropbox, log in, and sync it to your account. That'll download. You may want to copy that and put it on maybe another external hard drive just to save a backup. But from there you can go into the help files folder, and there's a video tutorial that will pick up where I'm leaving off, and you can begin working on the editing process and follow that video tutorial to show you exactly how to do that. But for me, we're just going to go ahead and click on download, and that'll begin downloading directly to my computer. All right, my download's done. Now, if you're a Mac user, you can most likely just double click on that zip file, copy those folders, and put them somewhere secure. But for Windows users like myself, you can right click, and I'm going to go to extract all. From there, I'm going to tell it where I want to save this project. So I'm going to go to browse, and for now, I'm just going to throw it on the desktop. All right, so I'm going to make a new folder called new series, and I'm going to hit enter. And this is where I want my new project to go. So I can hit select folder, and here I'm going to hit extract, and that will begin unzipping those files and placing them in that folder. All right, so my project is done unzipping, and all my three folders are together in one location. Like we mentioned before, you may have a few of those big buttons that you can download. Again, just follow those same steps where you directly download from that Dropbox page, and then just put all these folders together. It's really important that the project files folder stays intact the way it is, because our project files will reference other files within that folder to make up the actual animations and the videos and things like that. So if those get misplaced or moved, then they won't know where to find those files, and you'll get a bunch of errors. So again, just keep those files together, and that way you won't have any problems. All right, so your files have downloaded and are unzipped and are saved into a secure spot that you wish. So go ahead and go into the help files folder. Inside of there will be a video tutorial that will pick up where I'm leaving off, and you can actually watch this to show you how to edit the project in order to make it something special for your church. So thanks again for downloading from Pixel Preacher, and we look forward to seeing what you make.